Check out this Kia 2020 Niro LXS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: automatic with auto shift transmission, 4-wheel ABS brakes, dust-sensing headlights, interior air filtration, privacy tinted glass, rear bench seats, 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, intermittent window wipers and remote power door locks. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.